Assalamualaikum and good day to our beloved Dr. Tantish. Our group will present sustainable construction for the elderly home development. So here is our group members, and my name is Nur Suraya Balkis binti Suhaimi. And I will start with the introduction for the project background. This project aims to develop sustainable elderly home by refurbish existing building in Provinsi Negeri Sembilan with an area of 32,485 square feet. The location is ideal due to its surrounding and proximity to Provinsi, providing easy access to essential services for the elderly. So our plan is to convert the existing building, which is a resort, into an elderly home with a commitment to incorporating sustainable principles throughout the development. And I will start with the energy efficiency, which I will touch the three main component of sustainable, the environmental, economic and social. So for this elderly home design, we are going to focus on natural light and heat by having more windows, and we also going to plant a large tree to block some uncomfortable sunlight for the elderly. Other than that, we're going to use passive solar design, natural ventilation and green roof to reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. In terms of economic, we are using technology to monitor, which is a smart home, and to reduce energy consumption, which will result in lower utility costs. For social, is to enhance safety and convenience elderly resident with automated and smart devices. So as we can see here, Ananti is using a smart refrigerator with a feature sensor and internet connectivity. With feature like automatic groceries list and expiry date reminder, they will always know what they need to buy or when the food is going bad. This smart refrigerator also can help save costs on energy bill. Medication automatic dispenser. With this offer, the option of automated dispensing, tracking medication intake in real time, also for reminder and notify for the elderly. It also helps to keep medication from being easily accessible. So the next one is stair lift. It's allow elderly with limited mobility to access all levels of the home safely. This will prevent the elderly falls or injuries, which also can help to reduce of healthcare costs from the injuries. And the modern stair lift are designed to be energy efficient with minimal electricity, which will reduce energy consumption as well. For natural light, this will lead to significant energy saving and a lower carbon footprint. The exposure to natural light has been shown to improve mood, reduce stress and enhance overall mental health. Natural light also will make the home design more attractive.
Assalamualaikum. I will be focusing on how we are incorporating FIDIC principles to ensure outstanding indoor environment quality while addressing the environmental, social, and economic aspects of our project. For environmental aspects, the first one is sustainable design and construction. We prioritize eco-friendly and non-toxic materials such as low VOC paints and recycled materials to create a healthy indoor environment. Additionally, we have established a comprehensive waste management plan to minimize construction waste and promote recycling and reuse. The second one is indoor air quality. To ensure excellent indoor air quality, we design both natural and mechanical ventilation systems for a constant supply of fresh air and removal of pollutants. We also use high-quality air filtration system to reduce indoor air pollutants, which is crucial for the health of our elderly residents. For social aspect, the first one is resident comfort and well-being. We provide thermal comfort for the comfortability for the residents, and our design is aesthetically functional, where it also incorporates biophilic elements, natural light, and comfortable living space to promote physical and mental well-being. The second one is accessibility and safety. Our building is designed to be accessible to all residents, including those with mobility issues through features such as ramps, elevators, and wide doorways. We also install comprehensive safety systems, including fire alarms, emergency exits, and handrails to protect residents. The third one is community integration. We engage with the local community during the planning and construction phases to ensure our project meets the needs of both residents and the surrounding community. By hiring local labor and sourcing materials locally, we support the local economy and foster community goodwill. Lastly, for economic aspects, the first one is initial investment and long-term savings. Although investing in high-quality eco-friendly materials may have higher initial costs, it often leads to a long-term savings through reduced health-related costs and lower maintenance requirements. Energy-efficient systems such as LED lighting, solar panels, and high-efficiency HVAC systems may require higher upfront costs but result in significant savings on energy bills over time. The second one is material and system selection. Procure materials locally reduce transportation costs and supports the local economy. Choosing durable, low-maintenance materials such as mold-resistant insulation helps prevent costly future repairs and health issues. The third one is health and well-being of residents. Good indoor environment quality leads to healthier residents, reducing medical expenses and potentially lowering insurance costs for the facility. High resident satisfaction and retention reduce turnover and the associated cost of finding new residents, which is economically beneficial.
Hi, my name is Masuk Skirabantu Abdul Wahab. Based on our project, I will present about water efficiency. Based on FIDE, we have three aspects. First aspect is environment, social, and economics. Environment aspect first, water conservation and management. For example, design feature, rainwater harvesting, and then green water recycling. To recycle water from sinking, shower, or laundry for toilet flushing. We also can change landscape design, for example, narrative route system plan, and then eventually irrigation system. Lastly, we also can water quality protection. For example, stormwater management to prevent pollution and to protect local water bodies. Social aspect. Number one, healthy and well-being. For example, clean water supply, hydration station to encourage demand water. Community engagement, for example, awareness program and inclusive design. Number three, recreational area, for example, water feature such as pool by using water recycle. Number one, cost saving by reduce water bill and maintenance saving. Number two, increase property value by get sustainability set and market appeal. Number three, funding and initiative by government initiative and operational efficiency.
Now we go to site management. For the environmental aspect, we conduct environmental impact assessment EIA to understand the project impact on the local environment, including the ecosystem and the natural habitat. We implement to minimize the construction-related pollution, such as we use water spraying system to dampen construction area and the roads regularly to reduce airborne dust particles. We cover loose materials and stockpiles with trap and plastic sheet to prevent wind erosion and dust dispersion. And the management, we schedule earth-moving activities during calm weather conditions to minimize wind-blown dust, and choose construction equipment with the noise-reducing features and muffles. On the social aspect, we engage with local community and stakeholders to gather feedback and ensure their concerns are addressed. promote transparency in the project development and construction phases to build trust and goodwill, to ensure safe working conditions for all construction workers involved in the project. And for the last one, we provide training and employment opportunity for local residents, promoting social inclusivity and economic empowerment. For the economic aspect, follow a FIDIC contract to ensure that the project financial sustainability. We monitor expenses closely to avoid cost overrun and maintain project profitability. Foster local economic development by sourcing material and services from nearby suppliers and businesses. Stimulate the local economic through job creation for the local communities.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Alia Bakis, and I'll be focusing on the materials for the sustainable construction of the elderly home. Sustainable construction consists of three aspects, which is environmental, social, and economic. Firstly is environmental aspects. What does environmental aspects affect the materials of the sustainable construction is that using materials with low environmental impacts, such as recycled steel, which helps to reduce the need for new raw materials and decreases energy consumption in production. And also we can use bamboo, which is known as fast-growing renewable resources. Lastly is waste management system, which we can create recycling programs to help recycle construction waste such as metal, glass, and concrete. Next is modular construction. By using prefabricated materials can help to minimize waste and enhance construction efficiency. Next is social aspect. How does social aspect impact the constructions for the elderly in sustainable construction? First is health and safety. Avoiding materials with harmful chemicals and safe for occupants. Next is use non-slip materials for flooring to prevent from accidents for the elderly. Secondly, accessibility. Materials that facilitate easy mobility, such as durable flooring and compliance with the standards. Third is community engagement, which is local labels and suppliers. This helps to engage local workers and source materials from nearby suppliers to support the local economy. Next aspect. What can be seen here is firstly cost effectiveness, a long-term value, which higher values with lower maintenance costs, such as fiber cement, composite decking. Next is the life cycle costing, to analyze the total cost of materials over their expected lifespan. Secondly, local economy support, collaborations with local businesses to ensure a steady supply of materials. Lastly, financial planning, budgeting for quality, allocate sufficient budget for high quality with long-term life cycle, and material options. This helps to analyze the best balanced materials between cost, performance, and sustainability.
In conclusion, green building practice prioritize sustainability by minimizing environmental impact and resources. These align with FIDIC emphasis on sustainable development and responsible environmental stewardship. Incorporating green building practice not only meets regulatory requirements but also demonstrates a commitment to sustainable development principle outlined in FIDIC contract. It also promotes sustainable development, efficiency, and enhance project outcome. Construction project can mitigate environmental impact, improve operational efficiency, and foster healthier and more resilient communities, thereby align with FIDIC's overarching goals of responsible project management and sustainable infrastructure development.